everybody. Tomorrow we'll be having our employees night at 7:30 p.m. with a special guest, Vice Ganda Colonel. And on September 9, we will be having our dental vision. And in the evening, we will be having our Bride Parade and the Ring of Dreams 2025. And on September 10, the Ring of Dreams is a relocation in San Juan Plaza. Again, reminding everyone, tomorrow we will be having our employees night at 7:30 p.m. with a special guest, Vice Ganda Colonel from each showtime. On September 9 morning, we will be having our dental mission. And in the evening, we will be witnessing the Ring of Dreams 2025 live here at San Juan Plaza. And on September 10, we will be having our founding anniversary at San Juan Plaza. In the morning, we will be having our mass, raffle awards, the parade around the town, and the competition of the Evolution of Dance 2025. And in the afternoon, we will be having our Laro ng Lahi at 3 p.m. And in the evening, we will be having our Red and Wine party. And also on September 9, we have a special guest, Mr. Yuki Sakamoto, the 8th Showtime Bigaman Season 3 Grand Opening. See you on September 9, 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, you are now watching the LGBT Gay Basketball Showdown 2025, sponsored by our very own Honorable Mayor, Mayor Grace J. Cassie. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the starting five of Team Apoch, we have jersey number 5, Kuya Rara. Please proceed to the center again. Once if your name is called, kindly proceed in the center area. Again, for the first 5 for the Team Apoch, we have Kuya Rara, Ate Jopa, Dadis, Cassie, and Zendaya. And for the Team Lugay, we have Junix, Vince, Isa, Kylie, and Patricia. Mayor. Again, requesting our Team Lugay to kindly proceed at the center area. Again, see you on September 8, 9, and 10.